Good morning, Philippines!
Hello! Ito na yung luto nila sa Food Bites. Look, I have to ilabas sa cellophane. Look. Oh my God, ang sarap talaga. 14 bucks. Crispy pata. So, yun yung kakainin namin ni Mister. Sobrang white, di ba? Sobrang white na white. Yung ano mukha. Bilisan ko lang itong pagluluto ko kasi po, while yung pata is sobrang crunchy pa. And, so, luto ako ng gulay para may gulay kami. Yung anuhin ko is carrots lang. Carrots and broccoli. Anuhin ko lang siya. Para may gulay. So, ngayon, anuhin natin si Tami. Ipatry natin yung pata. I think nakatry na siya. I don't know. Pero nakatry na siya yung mga pork na mga crispy-crispy. Nakatry na siya noon. Pero, ito, parang hindi pa. Mostly skin ito eh. Dagdagan natin ng carrots. Buti na lang, bumili din ako ng carrots sa Walmart. O, sa Market 32. Market 32 ba ito? Yeah. Roxy, why are you whining? You're waiting for your daddy? Where's your daddy? Yun, si Tami ngayon. Dahil marami siyang binili na mga mga can. Yung mga pang niya. Ngayon, nandun siya sa baba. Naghanap na yun ng space. Kasi wala na talaga. Di ba pinakita ko sa inyo? Halos wala nang malagyan doon. So ngayon, nag-rearrange yun. Tignan niya kung makasya ba yun lahat. Ganyan yun siya. Dahil sa karami-rami na doon, dagdag pa rin. Ganyan yun siya eh. So ngayon, nag-rearrange yun. Palagi yung mag-rearrange. Akala niya, kung mag-rearrange siya, magkasya. So let's see. Dalhin niya yun dito pabalik. Kasi meron pa kaming space dito sa taas na pantry. Meron pang space. Hindi niya nilagyan. Kasi I think may plano yun. Kasi kung hindi niya nilagyan for the future, mabili na naman siya, doon niya ilagay sa pantry. So kaya yung pantry, wala masyadong laman. Kasi andun sa basement. Nakakatakot ito paminsan mag-shopping eh. Kanina kahit nagbusog na, hindi pa rin mapigilan yung sarili. Kaya minamadali ko pa rin kanina. Kasi hindi talaga niya mapigilan yung sarili niya guys. Walay. Yung galing sa garden oh. Ito yung pinaka last na harvest. Pero meron pa doon. Meron pa guys konti. Meron mga liliit na bell pepper. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Maliit pa yun eh. Lutuin natin ito guys. Ito siya. Hi. Hey. Yun siya guys. And itong broccoli. Pinaboil ko siya guys ng mabilisang boil. Yun lang yung ginagawa ko. And then yun, nagdidrain na siya dyan. Mabilisang boil po to guys. So, dinidrain ko lang siya dyan. So, yun siya dito. Ilagay ko ito guys. Look. Yan. Gusto ko sobrang mainit yung niya. Sa pinaka-high. Para walang tubig. Kasi ayaw ko ng may tubig. Ito. Magi sabor. Ito yung tinatawag na ulam na wala dito, wala dire, dinalian. Pinaspasan, dinalian. Dali-dali na sudan. Mauna siya.
Dilian?
Dinalian na sudan, pinaspasan.
Dilian.
So, let's eat na dinalian. Let's eat na. Ito yung kainin natin. Imumakbang natin. This is the dip sauce. You dip your sauce. Your sauce, your dip. So, mukbang po kami guys ni Mister. Please keep on watching the vlog. Charot. My baby's gonna have this crispy pata. The pata is crispy, love. Love. The pat is crispy. Pata. Han, can you do that later? La love. La love. La love. Han, you will be very happy, honey. I will tell you something.
Good.
The water is dripping everywhere this morning.
Oh, you forgot that?
Yeah.
Why would that make me happy, huh?
Because you
So I'm not the only one?
yeah.
Okay.
Let me take off my bra, guys.
Made you feel silly that night, right? Because you always yell at me.
Yeah, I was laughing though.
I'm pet.
I was talking to Roxy, your dada will be proud. He's not the only one. So guys, imumukbang namin ni Mr. Well, I will let you have Mr.'s face from the beginning of the mukbang. But later on, I have to put the camera aside.
Already? Did she?
Yeah.
Really?
She shabulat. She just shabul. Han, do you want hot sauce with your rice?
Oh, something with it.
Yeah. I will give you that is that no, that's not Tabasco. Buffalo shoulder. You are wah. Oi guys, look at this guys.
You both ate already? My God.
Crispy pata guys, is life guys. I don't know kung ano tong sauce na binigay nila. Pero ang bango ay tuba pala siya, tuba. What? Parang smell like ano. Wala pa siya dito eh. Han, hurry up, Han. It's not crunchy anymore, love. Let me give you ating vegetables. Tammy requested. Oh, I want some of that. I want some of this.
I don't remember what requested, was it?
No, broccoli.
I said we should buy broccoli. We haven't had broccoli in a long time. For that amount of cauliflower, asparagus, pretty much everything.
You cannot see my baby. You see my baby. It's okay if you can see them. It's like people love my husband, so. Oh no! Yeah, I'm not the only one. Hey, somebody, honey. You know who's the winner? One of our winner. Who's here? Roxy, get down. One of our winner. Hi guys, mukbang po tayo. Said, oh, did I told you that he said that she have crush on you?
You told me that.
Yeah. And then she have crush on you and she said, don't get mad.
Son, why is the camera pointing at me?
From the first thing of this, you try. And then I will put it aside. Pasensya na guys, Tammy is very strict. Okay. Okay. What? Put your plate closer. Okay. Try the skin first. Dip the thing if you want. There's the dipping sauce here. Why my camera is in there? Seriously.
Don't knife though.
Huh?
Don't give me a knife.
Okay. There's no meat. This is a leg hand. Don't expect too much meat in it. But people love it. Okay. There you go. What do you think, Sarah?
It's good. She cooks good.
He.
Me? I thought
Romil.
she was back there cooking.
He is the cook.
Oh. So what, she just takes it out?
It's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Approve, Han? Food
Very
bites.
tasty.
Food bites approve. Okay na. Itakilid na natin itong camera kasi he doesn't like it.
Thank you.
Respect the unexpected. Respect the unexpected. It's really good. Oh my god, they are correct. Dipping sauce, Han. It's a
Doesn't really
vinegar.
need it. Was that sweet sauce?
Vinegar. Coconut vinegar. Sarap. Han, I want you to enjoy it. Oh my god, it's so good. I want Tammy to enjoy more of this because, you know, he's always not here, guys. And he always eat food that is not that, tomorrow, I'm gonna cook him chicken, more vegetables, and he got some beef. I don't know what he's gonna do with it. It's a beef. It's not roast beef, but it's like this beef. I think he will bake it. You'll bake it?
Yeah.
You do it tomorrow? So, or tomorrow morning, early. Just really small tummy mo. Masarap man ito. Masarap pala itong nakukunat vinegar, good. I miss that.
I imagine you can do it.
No, you need a tuba. Coconut wine first.
Okay.
Before become coconut vinegar, it should be wine first, and then will last longer. If the coconut wine is longer, become vinegar. You know why I know? Because that's the business in the Philippines. My uncle. Kung sa Bisaya pa mananggiti. And the meat here, honey, it's so soft. Oh my god. Honey, it's so perfect, hon. Are you okay? You're looking outside like you see something. Oh my god, how do they know? How do they know outside?
They know outside.
Huh?
Look at the plant looks like a starfish in there.
Oh, starfish?
In your plant.
Oh.
Why would it be a starfish in
Can you use your hand, please? Enjoy it.
Mama just said the word. She didn't see nothing out there, you dope. Something wrong with you clowns.
There's something wrong with this. How do you make crispy pata? Roxy, you start dancing like a herb. Huh. Because that's just all bone. It's tomorrow. That's not good anymore, especially the skin.
What is that?
Because it's not. It's gonna be mush. So I'm gonna separate it. Oh, they're still here in the back. Like that. Oh, this is a foot. It's a foot. There you go. Honey. Competition. Okay, enjoy it, huh? Because this is the only meat they have, and enjoy it while it's freaking crunchy. Look. No, the good thing that this is pork because only one. Because this is beef, it can go to the dog. But because it's a pork, it's not good to the dog.
Why is that?
Because they will eat it and it will hurt their throat. A lot of people buy this because it's one of the kind. Even there's no meat, but it's like enjoyable. Let me eat this. It's not
A lot of people use those bones for making split pea soup.
This. No, I'm not doing it. Hello, what happened to it? Hello.
Telling you the bone's supposed to be hers.
No, Roxy, it's in my mouth already. You don't want it.
She said she don't care.
So good, guys. What are you looking? She's right here waiting. I know. It's really good. Food Bites, they have a really good like taste food. Tasty. Before natin itapon, kailangan tilukin. Kasi kapag hindi tulukin, masasayangin. Even my dog want it, di ka na have it. Okay, that's it guys. Salamat guys sa panonood. Thank you so much. I wanna enjoy it now. Because I don't enjoy it before. We turned the fireplace guys kasi maginaw dito and hindi namin inon yung yung buong heater sa bahay. Hindi namin inon lahat kasi parang okay pa naman sa kanya. So sabi ko, fireplace na lang muna yung i-on natin. Tignan nyo to guys. Every time na Tami nahiga dito, look at who's here. Naglaba ako guys. Nakalimutan kong naglalaba pala ako. Isauli ko muna ito. Kasi nilabhan ko yung sa center table.
No. See. Weren't you eating? I don't think I can.
Sometimes the different foods touch each other, Shelby.
Okay. Something wrong about this morning.
You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know.
Pahinga sila. So ako naman, maglinis lang mukha. I-end natin itong vlog. As in guys, nasarapan si Mr. Sabi pa niya, sobrang yung crispy pata, sobrang malasa daw. Sabi siya, I don't need vinegar. Sabi ko sa kanya, bakit hindi mo siya dinidip sa vinegar? Sabi pa niya, bakit kailangan kong i-ruin yung crispy pata? Kasi kapag i-ano mo daw siya sa vinegar, hindi mo na malasahan yung lasa ng pork. Yung lasa ng kung ano yung taste. Maruruin daw, masisira daw yun. So ngayon, so yun, hindi niya inano. Pero masarap yung suka pala. Yung sabi ni Ate Gina ko, magkukuha ko nun kasi masarap siya. Yung sa sukang tuba, masarap siya. Pahinga lang ako guys. I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys. Kita-kits tayo bukas.